What's the sound?
That was a...
Squeaky toy?
Yeah, it's escaping.
Dogs. Mutts. Gotta love him.
Yeah, that's what, yeah. It's a dog. Looking for... Oh yeah, I have an TNT.
Oh, that was your hiccup. I'm so sorry. Oh, pain.
It's okay.
It's okay. At least your hiccups sound nice. Mine, they just sound like burps. Like a really nasty one.
Oh.
Like a Shrek burp.
Like, I'll do for you.
Oh, no, that's cute. Definitely not on the cute side.
Okay. Like,
Oh, I'm trying to make it, but I can't.
oh.
Oh, I guess that's the closest I can do. Oh my god, they're calling me a bullfrog. How dare you?
Oh, that's cute.
I told you it sounds like a burp.
Kronii frog.
Kronii frog doesn't go ribbit. Actually, it's more like a toad, I guess.